A series of major events have unfolded in the universe and on Earth. First, this year's most spectacular celestial event, the alignment of 7 planets, has begun. Then, scientists have simulated and discovered terrifying scenarios for the possible end of the universe. Meanwhile, China's Chang'e 6 lunar probe has made new discoveries from its samples collected from the far side of the moon. These breakthroughs continue to refresh and expand human understanding and perception. Let's take a closer look. This year, the most magnificent alignment of 7 planets is now taking place. However, to actually see all 7 planets in a line, you need to use a telescope. If you look with the naked eye, you'll only be able to spot the alignment of Venus, Jupiter, and Mars. While it's called spectacular because these planets appear to line up together, in reality, this is actually a fairly common astronomical phenomenon. Humanity experiences this type of planetary alignment about every 3 to 5 years, and whether it's visible depends largely on the angle of alignment. In fact, the alignment happening this year is not as tightly clustered as the one in 2022. Scientists even predict that in the year 2149, we might witness an even more astonishing event, a 9-planet alignment. That would truly be a once-in-a-millennium cosmic spectacle. So, how will the universe ultimately end? According to a recent study published in Nature by Professor Papik of the University of Leeds, the universe may actually be suspended in a false vacuum or exist in a state of quasi-stability. The research team, through simulations based on quantum field theory, found that the fundamental constants of the universe might suddenly change at some point. If that happens, the universe could collapse in an instant, like a house of cards. Currently, our universe exists in what is considered the lowest energy state, known as vacuum energy. But this state is only temporary. In the future, it could decay or plummet, vanishing in an instant, like water falling out of a bottle. On a more reassuring note, the latest data shows that the probability of an asteroid striking Earth has dropped to 0. Just a week ago, a newly discovered asteroid named 2024 YR4 set a new record for a close approach to our planet without a collision. This is why planetary defense agencies around the world have been closely monitoring every move of this asteroid. Although the possibility of a collision has now been ruled out, the